If you're having issues processing a video inside of TikTok, in today's video, let me show you the exact way that you can fix it. Now, the first and the easiest solution is you can just hop out of the app of TikTok, clear it from the recent list, and then try to open it up again. If this first step did not work for you, you'll also need to make sure that your internet connection is stable. You can also try switching from Wi-Fi to your cellular data. Also, what you can try out is try to clear the app cache inside of settings. So let's hop into the app of TikTok again, head over to your profile section, tap on the three lines on the top right, and then head over to settings and privacy. From this, you'll need to scroll down and head over to free up space. Inside of this setting, you just need to tap on the clear option and then tap on clear again. Now, once you follow these simple steps, you should be able to fix this issue. If you're still having issues, the last thing that you can try out is uninstall the app of TikTok from your phone and then again re-download it. That's pretty much all for this video. I do hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.